It's time now for our Bite of the Week. It comes from controversial Member of Parliament Everald Warmington. Mr. Warmington, in an exclusive interview with TVJ News, was clarifying a comment he made about withholding funds from a PNP councillor in his constituency. Here's our Bite of the Week.
The PM said to me, I should divulge more and say, ask the question, that because of civil society, he can't keep me there. But at the same time, he's asked me to go in the field to work for the party to face the next election. The question I ask, if civil society can't accept me as part of his cabinet, how then civil society will accept me working in the field to elect him again as Prime Minister?
But don't you think his hands were tied, though, given that the reaction from the opposition leader with Dennis Meadows?
I saw no chain or rope on his hands. Don't ask me a question. Meadows, as I said, is a different case from mine entirely. He was promoting criminality. I was not, never yet.